Hi friends, today we're going to show you how to prepare chicken pan rolls. And to prepare the chicken pan rolls, take a pan and use 2 tablespoons of oil. Now take 2 finely chopped onions. Stir fry it for 2 minutes. Now let's add 1 finely chopped carrot, 1 finely chopped capsicum or bell pepper. Now let's stir fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Let's add half teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and half teaspoon of mixed herbs. Now let's add salt as per the taste. Now add half tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So I've got here 500 grams of boiled shredded chicken. And now let's all mix this well together. After tossing it for 2 to 3 minutes, now I'm going to add grated cheddar cheese to this. This cheese is approximately 150 grams. Now add 150 grams of mayonnaise. Now let's give a final mix to this. Our chicken pan roll mix is ready now. Now let's leave this aside and we'll start with the other things to do. Now let's take a sliced bread and with the help of a rolling pin, let's roll this bread. With the help of a knife, let's cut the edges. Now let's roll all the other breads. Depends on how many pan rolls you want to make for yourself. The portion that I've used to make the mixture, that will give at least for me 35 to 40 pan rolls. So I'm just doing whatever is required for myself. Now let's start doing the filling. Take a small portion of the mix that we have prepared and just give a fill. Now gently we're going to fold this and roll it, and in the edge, this is just the water, just apply some water. And on the outer side, let's apply a little bit of water as well over here. What happens is water will hold the bread very strong, and this is how it's going to be. Let's start with the others as well. So our semi pan rolls are ready. Now let's go and give the finishing for this. Let's take 2 eggs. Let's add a little bit salt as per the taste. Now let's use breadcrumb. Now let's dip the pan roll into the egg bit over here, and then let's mix it with the breadcrumb. So this is how you keep this prep ready. Now let's go and deep fry this. The oil is ready now, it's hot. Now let's fry this. You just have to fry for 2 to 3 minutes only because everything is cooked, it's just the bread. So that's it. Our first batch is ready. I'm going to take this off. Nice crispy golden brown it looks. So friends, our pan rolls are ready. If you have liked our recipe, please do show us some love by liking, sharing and subscribing our channel. Until then, love you all, God bless, and my final word to say, adios.